Hey everybody, this is Harold from Living in the Hill Country. Today I'm going to show you how I began to grow my jalapeno peppers and my red bell peppers in these containers. I'm going to get them transplanted. I'm going to show you how I prepare the containers. I'm also going to show you the soil mixture I use and the mulch that I use in the bottom and the top. So stick around. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we have our bucket here, our container. What we're going to do is put some holes in the bottom of them, about 2.5 inches up. Turn it on its side. I use about a 1/2 inch drill bit. That seems to be working just fine. Like I said, you go up about 2.5 inches and just drill a hole through there. After you get that one done, you go about 8 inches or so, a foot, whatever you're comfortable with. I usually go about 8 to 9 inches to a foot. Gives me about 7, 8 holes all the way around it. Put one more in there. So there we have our bucket now, or our container. So now what we want to do is we want to put about 2.5 inches of mulch on there. Basically you want to put enough in there to cover the holes, or just above the holes that you just drilled into the container. Oh, that's about enough there. I'm going to just make sure it's just above the holes. That way it'll hang on to the water, but yet it'll still let the overabundance of water leak out or seep out. Then I have two different mixtures that I use. I use like a garden soil mix and then a potting soil mix. And I just dump half a bag in there and then I mix it up. So we'll do that right now. Alright, now I'm going to just take my hands. I'm just going to dig down in there. I'm just going to churn this up. Mix that potting mix and the garden mix together. This is one of the fun parts of gardening. Getting to play in the dirt. And after I feel I got a good mixture, kind of pat it down a little bit. And I'm going to grab my pepper plants, and I'll put about 5 in here. You want to space them, I don't know, 6 inches apart or so. Put one in the center. So I put about 5. And I'll show you how we do that. I have them in these trays here, and I haven't watered it a day or so, so I just basically grab them out. See the root system there coming through? Just dig a hole with your hand, set the little guy in there, and then just pack the soil around him. And then put your fingers around him and kind of push him down a little bit. Okay? Pretty simple. Pretty basic. Put him in there. Put the soil around him. Your hands around it like this and push. That kind of packs him down. Okay? Here's the red bell. These are red bell peppers here. Do the guy in the middle first. dig this guy out. Look at this guy. Nice. Room from seeds. Okay, now that I have them in there, get the soil kind of packed down that I loosened up. There. Now I'm going to put another layer of mulch on there. Nope. It retain moisture, hold moisture, I mean, and protect it. Protect the plants. I'll just take a handful of that, kind of just set it in there, and then I just kind of spread it around, bring it up close to the plant. They like mulch. Guys, you don't want to cover them up. You do want to get it up to them as close as you can, up to the stem. Alright, this guy I kind of buried a little bit. We'll dig him out. He'll be alright. So, there you have it. 5 red bell pepper plants in a container. Warm out here today, but we got it done. Red bell peppers and jalapeno peppers in their containers. We're going to give them a shot of water, let them get on their journey. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for support. And if you'd like to, leave a comment in the comments below. Anything, even questions. If I don't know the answer, I'll find the answer for you. And if you'd like, go to Facebook and join our Facebook group page. I'll leave a link for you in the description below. Thanks again very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the heat.